Okay. Magandang hapon po mga kaibigan. Ako po si Rom Kumagon at kasama ko po si Lani
Yes.
Nevado. Nagkita kami dito sa DSWD at meron siyang nilalapit sa akin na I think maganda rin malaman ninyo.
Okay.
Lani, ikaw na mag-share.
Yes, sir. Sir, good morning po. So, I'm Lani from Grant and Marketing and you are?
Rom Kumagon.
Mr. Rom Kumagan. So, right now kasi, sir, meron po kami. Are your family going out to the water park?
Yes, may
Yes. How often do you go, sir?
Siguro in a year, mga isang beses.
So, how much money do you spend?
Sabihin natin mga 5,000, ganyan.
Oh, fantastic, sir. So, you're totally qualified. Here we have check this out, 9 Waves, sir. Are you familiar with the 9 Waves?
Hindi pa masyado.
Okay, I will tell you this, sir. We have a limited membership for only 499 pesos only. This is located at Ampid, San Mateo, Rizal, sir. Dito lang, sir, kung mag-ride kayo pababa, dito sa may Pure Gold Banaba, one ride pagliko nyo po ng kaliwa, Carolan Subdivision, andyan na po siya. So, sir, for only 499 na limited membership natin, we offer you validity until January 31 next year. So, the good news, sir, for only 499, you will have all this coupon. And in the coupon, sir, meron kayong dalawang free pass. Ayan. So, meron kayong dalawang free pass agad. Isang adult and isang pang child pass. So, the good news, sir, free adult pass is cost of 330 pesos. And the free child pass is only 300 pesos. Pag pinagsama natin, sir, total savings here is 630 pesos. Bawing-bawi mo na yung membership mo na 499. Sobra pa, right? So, sir, aside from that, I will give you all this coupon. 9 free entrance po siya. The good news, sir, 18 persons ang pwede nating invite, 9 po yung libre, 9 naman po yung may bayad. So, paano po natin gagamitin yung coupon? For example, sir, dalawa tayo, pupunta tayo dun sa 9 Waves. We will use this free entrance. Ako, sir, may bayad, ikaw libre na. And same with the other coupon, ganun din po yung usage niya. Aside from that, sir, may 20 to 30% discount tayo for the table or umbrella. And then may kiosk tayo, big or small cottage. So, sir, pag nagpunta kayo doon, multiple coupon pwede natin gamitin. And then we can avail the discounts. Okay? Ito po yung mga regular price natin. So, once you have this, for example, sir, pumunta na tayo doon. Gamitin natin to, sir. Instead of paying 660 pesos, we will pay only 332 persons. Okay? So, the good news, sir, pag na-maximize all this, we can save 7,000 pesos. And we get the membership only 499. Ayan. Everyone is taking the offer, sir. So, it's so easy to start our membership. Here, sir, all we need is your name, your address, your phone number, and signature, together with your 499, and then you can use this anytime, sir. Kung gusto niyo, sir, gamitin siya ng sabay-sabay, pwede po siya. But once you still have a coupon, itabi niyo lang po at magagamit niyo siya until January 31. So, sir, you will taking the last two, right? Yes.
Magkano ulit yun?
499 lang po yung membership natin. Okay. And that's a 499 na membership, sir. Yan. Oh, sir, you're taking the last one na. Ayan. So, name, address, contact number, phone number, signature. Ayan, active number, sir, para tawagan po kayo ng office namin to confirm kung naintindihan po natin. Sir, pag pumunta kayo doon, sir, lahat ng food ninyo pwede natin ipasok sa loob ng 9 Waves. Wala po tayong babayaran. Sa car park po, libre naman po yung parking. So, there's no other fee na sisingilin sa inyo. So yun, sir, sa dress code naman po, you can use t-shirt or cycling, di naman po sila mahigpit. Ayan, sir.
Okay, so...
Okay, your family will enjoy this and you'll take in the last one, sir.
Ayan. Ayan, puno ko.
Ayan. And sir, kung kukuha kayo sa amin ng 9 Waves, we also have a Dinosaur Island. In the line of our campaign, same membership, this is only 499 pesos. So if you have children in the house, mga gusto nyo pong mag-outing, in Clarkfield, Pampanga naman siya, sir. There's no problem sa location, sir, kasi ito lang po yung location natin. So in the Clarkfield, Pampanga, near SM Clark, mag-asakay lang kayo dyan, sir. Kung magko-commute kayo, meron na dyan bus na dumadaan. And then sa Fontana, near Nayong Filipino, El Caballo, ayan, sir, dalawang tumbling nyo lang, sir. Nandun na kayo sa Dinosaur Island. Ayan, kapiling ang mga dinosaurs. So, 499, this is also valid until December this year. The good news, sir, if you take the privilege, I will give you all this coupon. This is 12 coupons. 6 coupon for the child free pass and 6 coupon for the adult pass. This is convertible, sir. If you're all adult, you can use all this for adult. So, ang usage niyan, sir, same. Buy one and get one free. Dalawa tayong pupunta, libre ka, sir, ako may bayad. And then aside from that, meron tayong dino feeding. So there, sir, ma-experience natin how to feed yung mga dinosaur. So we will feel nandun tayo during the dinosaur era. So right now, sir, meron tayong 2 hectares ng Dinosaur Island. Pag sumakay tayo, sir, ng Dino Safari, ikutin natin yan. Lahat ng klase ng dinosaur species, makikita po natin. But don't worry, sir, kaya nga may dino feeding, di sila nangangain, harmless sila. They are like dogs and cats lang natin. So, sir, aside from that, sir, pwede natin siyang hawakan. Kasi, sir, pag hinawakan natin siya, malambot. Hindi siya gawa sa plastic, sa bato, kaya sa semento. So, dahil sa may sensory din sila, high technology sila, sir, mga robotics po sila. So, if you're familiar with the Jurassic Park, ayan. Yan yung kasugatan. Sir, 3 countries kasi yan, sir. America, Singapore, and now Philippines is the 3rd country. So, maswerte tayo, sir. So, this is one of the hottest theme park ngayon sa Subic po. So, sir, simple lang yan. Same with the 9 waves. Name, address, contact number, and cell phone number together your signature and 499. Nakabook na kayo. Anytime pwede na kayong pumunta. Fully transferable naman siya kasi same lang naman po lahat ng serial number. So you, your family, colleague po, mga kaibigan nyo, pwede pong sumama. So you're taking the last one, sir.
Okay na ulit.
Ano? Ano, sir? Kukunin nyo na.
Ayan. Ngayon naman po, isasama tayo ni Lani sa Subic at ililibre po tayo ni Lani para makita actual.
Ay, hindi na, sir.
Ne, joke lang.
Ayan.
Actually, nakausap ko na si Lani kanina na medyo sa ngayon kakagaling ko lang kasi sa Tagaytay.
Okay,
Doon kami
sa
lumabas.
Tagaytay,
But
sir.
I will keep this in mind, no? And
Okay.
kaya ko na suggest sa iyo na i-record natin yung
Okay, no problem, sir. So I'm from Granton Marketing. There's no problem, sir. In the line of our campaign, hindi lang naman po yung 9 waves and dinosaur yung kinakampaign namin. So, ayan, sir.
How can we contact you, Lani?
Sir, kasi right now, meron kaming customer service at mga contact number for the 9 waves and Clarkland, Pampanga.
Mahanap ka doon.
Yes, sir. Kaya lang, sir, pag binigay ko kasi yung number ko, text tayo, baka maubos yan, sir. Wala akong may bibigay sa'yo. Sayang naman yung piso.
At least nakuha ko yung number mo.
Ay, naka, sir. Ayan, sir.
Okay.
Thank you
So,
po.